Now we are going to talk about one very important thing that is related with IDOC is how you can recreate an IDOC. Please don't do this in production. You shouldn't have access, but in other testing clients, it's always good to have access because you are going to recreate. Okay, so here is one thing how you can recreate the IDOC. Okay, first thing we'll go WE02. Okay, and here I'll just execute, and here there's no IDOC for today. What I'm going to do is I'll click on here and I'll put one, and probably I'll get a bunch of IDOCs. Okay, and then here this is the place where we are going WE02, where we will going to pick up one IDOC. Okay, now suppose this one I want to pick. Okay, suppose I want to select this, Control Y, Control C, and then I create a new session. The transaction is WE19. Okay, now here you put a basic IDOC, you click execute, and here is the data. Now here, if you want, you can change the data whatever you want. Okay, once you change the data, there will be something called standard inbound function model. Okay, and this is the standard inbound function model. You can have a Z or something. Now if you want, here you can put a debug and all those things. Okay, it's up to you. So now I'll just click continue. I'm not putting a debug. Okay, and here it will generate an IDOC. So if you see 31087, I'll just keep this here just to make sure this get refreshed. So I click on refresh. This is the key when you go to refresh, or you can hit F9. And here, once I hit F9, and probably I have to go down, and the number was 87311087, and you see that it has some issues, it has some errors. Okay, so it says that it's saying the direction is inbox. Okay, so probably there's a workflow triggered for that. So let's go, we'll go to SW I2 underscore FREQ just to check whether any workflow got triggered, because there's some errors. We'll just click on this and we'll click dialog, we'll execute, and here we have generate decision task. No, this is not, so there's no workflow triggered, but this had an error. Okay, approve or reject material. This was a material, no, this was sales organization. So here, yes, so here you can see it has errors. Okay, and here you can, this is the problem, and now if you double click on it, okay, and you can see the status record, it will tell you what is the problem. The posting period is closed. Okay, or is not open, so that's why it failed. Okay, so IDOC basically does anything that is done in standard SAP screen, so it will not directly update anything which is wrong. Okay, so here, so this is the IDOC number. So this is the way how you can recreate an IDOC. This is very important for every ABAPer who is going to create an interface with an IDOC, and I'm pretty sure you will be doing once in your lifetime and multiple times in your lifetime for sure. So this is very important. So WE19, get the IDOC number, put the debug point, and you will be cruising. Thank you for this session, and stay tuned to my channel, and happy SAP learning.